Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's your boy Professor Crypto. Got another hot crypto class for you guys today. This one's on fire. You guys already know anything we bring on the channel, it's got the heat, got the potential, and it definitely should be watched. This one is so different, guys. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Class is now in session. This one is called Quai Network.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Professor Crypto!
Professor Crypto! Best content creator!
Professor Crypto, love it.
Now guys, before we jump in this video, I do want to say that this video is sponsored by Stake. Shout out Stake, guys, let's go. For anyone who doesn't know, Quai Network is a scalable and programmable proof-of-work blockchain designed to serve as a new global monetary system. Quai introduces QI, guys, which is an energy-based flat coin designed to function as decentralized money for the compute economy pegged to the cost of energy. Guys, powered by Proof-of-Entropy-Minima, POEM, a next-gen proof-of-work consensus, Quai is eliminating block contention and delivering lightning-fast finality, setting a new standard for scalability in decentralized systems. Quai Network essentially, guys, is the next generation blockchain that's merging the security of proof of work with unprecedented scalability to serve as the global monetary system. So what does this mean, guys? At its core, Quai is introducing three breakthrough innovations. As I mentioned, the Proof-of-Entropy-Minima, the POEM. This is a consensus mechanism that eliminates block contention and enables instant finality. There's also the merged mind hierarchy, which scales state processing without splitting mining power while creating optimality and organized subnets. And the last one, guys, is the energy-based currency QI, which is the world's first decentralized dollar pegged to the cost of energy. So together, guys, these innovations are creating a secure, scalable, and commerce-ready blockchain designed for real-world adoption. Okay, so now let's talk about some recent product milestones. Very important, guys. Their Kipper tipping app, which is their native X tipping app for Quai microtransactions, surpassing over 22,000 tips and 902 active users. Their live blockchain visualizer, which can be found on live.qu.ai, is also launched, guys. Let me show you that. So check it out right here, up here in front of me. We're gonna hit launch. And here it is. Ooh, we even got groovy music. Anyway, guys, we're going to come back to this. So this showcases Quai's architecture and instant transaction speeds in real time. When it comes to the DeFi growth, the wrapped QI is now available on QI Swap with 200K liquidity. As well, guys, they have their wallet integrations with mobile misses, browser and Pelagus wallet integration, their EVM access with MetaMask via MetaMask snaps, their hardware Tangum partnership with pre-sales opened as well, their Lithium open beta, first ever tokenized yield on a proof of work network, their first halving, which was completed August 25th, 2025, introducing further scarcity for Quai. Next thing I want to talk to you guys about is their strategic partnerships. They have integrated with a Cash.io.net, Clore AI, and Okta. This strengthens Quai's position as a layer 1 for decentralized compute and crypto payments. They're already listed on MEXC, Gate, LBank, Bitmart, and Weeks, guys. We'll see more details about that on CoinMarketCap, which I am going to show you, of course. But before I bring up CoinMarketCap, guys, let's finish going through their entire website. So what can you build, guys? You can build payments, gaming, DeFi, metaverse, socials. The list goes on. The developer resources that they have, they've got the docs, they've got the code, the network, using Quai's tooling suite to explore the network, guys. They also do have an article and news section on their homepage that I would highly recommend checking out. They've integrated with some biases for cross-chain liquidity, Stratamux, fast, non-custodial, non-KYC, zero fees, solo mining infrastructures optimized for Quai Network as well. Project SOAP, which is launching on Quai Network, turning merge mining into continuous Quai buybacks. And for their partners, their Polychain Capital, founded by Olaf Carlson Wee in 2016. Polychain Capital is a leading VC in the crypto space. Alumni Ventures, founded in 2014. Alumni Ventures is now one of the most active VCs in the world. And the 01 Capital, this is a VC focused on digital assets and decentralized finance. Short little break from the video, guys. I want to bring you a super hot platform that everyone is talking about now. It is called ExpressVPN. For anyone who doesn't know what a VPN is a virtual private network. It is essentially a tunnel between your device and the internet designed to keep your online activity private and secure. This is a versatile tool with many uses, but the main three, guys, are the online privacy, the data security, and content unblocking. Now, make sure that you are using this legally, okay? It must be always used legally, guys. But aside from that, ExpressVPN is shielding your online activity from your ISP and other parties that are trying to spy on you. This is their website here, guys. They explain very clearly what a VPN is, why ExpressVPN. Like, if we were to just go over some of those here, they've got servers in over 105 countries, best-in-class encryption, 24-hour live chat support, trusted server technology, lightning fast speeds, works on every platform, use up to 14 devices, no activity logs, and they are the world's #1 premium VPN. Shout out ExpressVPN, guys. Make sure and check them out. Now back to the video. All right, so now that we've gone through their website, let's check out the CoinMarketCap data that we have here, guys. Here is their CoinMarketCap page, and you can see they're down about 6% on the week right now. They're ranked number 463, and they're trading just under 5 cents. Volume is approximately over $400,000. Total supply, 3 billion Quai tokens, and their circulating supply, 782.5 million Quai approximately. Now let's check out the exchanges. As I mentioned, guys, they're available across the entire board with Gate.io, MEXC, LBank, XC.com, CoinX, BitTrue. The list goes on. You can see it all here, guys. And the #1 volume pumper here is going to be MEXC at 36.83%, guys. The volume just under $150,000. Here is their Twitter X page, guys, and of course we are following them. They're very active on X, guys. You can see here. Shout out to the team for always doing the most. You know, I gotta like some of these posts for sure. Nice job, team. And for anyone who's interested in doing some more due diligence on the project, I would highly recommend checking out their docs page. Here, guys, they've broken it down into several different sections, like the introduction, the bridge to Quai, the using Quai, advanced topics, proof of entropy, merge mining, project SOAP, multi-threaded execution, interoperability, their hierarchy structure, the tokenomics. Let's check out the tokenomics, guys, because you know that is very important. So again, they have the 2 tokens, the complete money system. The challenge with single token systems is the traditional approach force 1 token to be everything, guys. The store value are too volatile for everyday transactions. Payment tokens lack the scarcity needed for long-term value storage as well, and networks must choose between price stability or value appreciation. Their 2-token solution introduces 2 native tokens that work together to provide a complete monetary system. Very important, guys. So again, Quai, the digital gold, the EVM compatible deflationary token designed as a store of value. The limited supply is creating scarcity and potential appreciation, perfect for savings, investments, and long-term wealth storage. And and the QI, the energy dollar, stable token linked to the cost of energy production. The UTXO based with cash-like privacy properties, ideal for everyday transactions and unit of account. Together, guys, they complete money. This dual token system provides all three essential characteristics of money: the store value, medium of exchange, and the unit of account.
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's good.
Shout out to all my students. I love you. Shout out to the Crypto Class Gang. Shout out to the Lemon Gang. Shout out to the Will Gang. Shout out to the Hodl Gang. Thank you for always your continued support, guys. I really do appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that like button for me. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Please remember, guys, we are an impartial channel, so whether your opinion is negative or positive, we'd be more than happy to hear it. That being said, guys, class is now dismissed. Group hug, group hug. We'll see you in our next video. Professor Crypto out. Really hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Make sure you hit that like button and the subscribe button if you're interested in seeing some more crypto reviews and exclusive international blockchain events. We are the channel for that, guys, as you know. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.